Hello you guys, welcome back. This is Sierra, and if you clicked on this video, you know that you are watching part 2 of my Fukubukuro Japanese lucky bag Sanrio unboxing haul. In this video today, I'm going to be unboxing my two 5,000 yen bags. Yes, I know how horrible that sounds. I know how much money I spent on Sanrio, okay? Anything else that you want to say? Anyway, in the last video, which I will link up here, I unboxed two 3,000 yen bags, one of which I'm going to keep, and I think the other one I'm going to sell. And now I'm going to open my two 5,000 yen lucky bags. I don't know which one I should do first. This year, Sanrio only advertised that they had one of the 5,000 yen style type bags in their store, but I know that's not true because last year they did the same thing and they ended up having 3 different types. So this year again they had a one that was advertised, which I will throw up here so you guys can check that out. Basically what you get inside is a squishy pillow, and you get a suitcase and a bunch of other little items inside, and then the other two are usually a mystery. There's usually like a rooms bag and a store specific exclusive bag. So what's in your store bag or your rooms bag, you don't really know. It just, I guess, depends on what's left in the store or that particular location is trying to get rid of. So let's open the lucky bags. Are you excited? I'm so excited. This is what I look forward to every year at lucky bag season, is my Sanrio bags. And I think if there was a year that I was in Japan and I couldn't get one, I would be really sad. And yes, after I move out of Japan, I will do everything in my power without paying ridiculous amounts to get a hold of these bags because I freaking love them. Okay, let me grab this bag. Okay, so this one here is the one that I was talking about, was the suitcase that was advertised. It's a carry-on, and in itself, because it's a carry-on suitcase, a Sanrio carry-on suitcase, even though it's made of just like a cotton material, would probably cost 5,000 yen. Maybe this one is a little bit cheaper because it was made specifically probably for the Fukubukuro, but still, like in itself, I'm already happy with it because it was 5,000 yen. And then the other one they have is just an opaque bag, which is, if you guys watched my Q&A video from last year, this girl, she's still my enemy and I still hate her, and I still hope that she didn't get the lucky bag she wanted this year because she made me so mad last year. Last year I went to grab a bag that was like this one, and it was no joke, my fingers were gracing it and she just grabbed it and pulled it from the other direction. It's a bad lady. But it looks like this, and it has many stuff in it. I don't know what it is, but I'm really excited. But I'm gonna save the best for last because that's what you're supposed to do, right? And I'm gonna open the Sanrio suitcase one first. So far on the outside, I've noticed it doesn't have any outside pockets, which kind of just makes it a more minimalist type suitcase. But I do already have the carry-on, but I've taken it on quite a few trips and it doesn't have a lot of life left. So let's, feels like it's all in a pack, but let's see what's inside. Oh my, this is good. You guys, this thing, I mean, there's a lot of plastic inside, but it is full. Like, that is a full suitcase of Sanrio. Yes, sign me up. I'll take it. Okay, I guess I'll just start with the guaranteed item because it was so big and you guys already saw it. It comes with a giant pillow. You could choose between either cinnamon roll and Hello Kitty, and because I have a kitty specific one already, I figured I should go for cinnamon roll. I don't have anything with cinnamon roll yet, so I got the cinnamon roll one. And he looks like this. Is he not just so irresistible? I love you, cinnamon roll. And I know that sounded really creepy. Let's get him out of his packaging. There's no way that I'm getting rid of this. It's too cute. Oh, and he's dressed for bed with this little hat on. Aw. This is too adorable, and it's so soft. I think I'm sold, you guys. I think I am sold. You see a lot of these type pillows in Japan. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but in Japan, the reason you see a lot of like long shaped pillows like this is because Japanese people like to sit on the floor, and it's perfect for putting right here on your back. And oh, that does feel really good. You can lean back a little bit. Good job, cinnamon roll. You can stay right there. Okay, let's get into the rest of the box. And it looks like a bunch of it's all in plastic. I'm gonna take a little break and I'm gonna open all the plastic so it's not loud and then come back to you guys. Looks like everything is also wrapped in plastic again, which is so frustrating. But as I already said earlier, I don't remember which video it's in, before you buy things that are in a store, even if you buy them waste free, they're usually wrapped in plastic to keep them clean and safe. So it is what it is. Now I just have all this plastic for my recycling bin. It's okay, it's fine. Okay, moving on, I have a drink bottle. Again, I'm guessing it's probably gonna be the same one, but it might have different characters. We'll see. Is this the same? Now I'm not sure. Let me compare really quick. Okay, so the one that's in the 3,000 yen bag is dark pink and it has a lot more writing on it. And then the one that's in the 5,000 yen bag is light pink with It looks like stamps on the top instead. Oh, I get it. Okay, so this is the theme for like travel because of the stamps and the airplanes, and this is just adorable and Sanrio. Next item is this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so backstory, I actually bought three 3,000 yen bags, and one I gave to my friend Jen because she asked me to grab it for her, and it was a Hello Kitty one, and I let her have it because I got the Hello Kitty one last year. But this is just too cute beyond words. This is a little tiny kitty. It's like still Hello Kitty, but she's dressed as a mouse because it's the year of the mouse. Actually, it's the year of the rat, I think, but mice are cuter, so we're gonna go with year of the mouse because I really liked it. Okay, I'm moving on. Oh no, you guys, my battery is low. Hopefully I can get through as much as I can, and then I will pop back in if the battery dies. Okay, moving on. Another item I have is a, really cute, and bouncy, floppy, flouncy, and full of fun. It is a cinnamon roll notepad. Looks like it was an Easter exclusive because it's like a little egg. Huh. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this was an Easter product, but I still really like it, and I'll probably use it to make notes. Especially for like my husband's lunchbox. Put it on a cinnamon roll note that says I love you. Be perfect. Okay, next thing is a little, it's a little coin purse. And it's Kiki and Lala, which is the little twin stars. This is really cute. It's not something that I would pick out to use for myself, but I do have a little lady in my life who I think would really like it. Yeah, you know I'm talking about you, Missy. I'm not gonna say her name because she's underage, but she's gonna love this. And I am keeping this. These are adorable, and I actually need another pair for my little like carry around set. They're a little pair of little twin stars chopsticks. Aww, they're adorable. I love them so much. And they're funny. I wonder if the glitter will come off in your food though. I don't know, but I really love them. Maybe if they don't work for food, I'll just put them in my hair or something. Okay, next item in here is another stationery item. It is a pen. Oh, it's super cute. Sorry, battery change. I hope the angle is relatively the same. I think where we left off, I was talking about this pen. It's a My Melody pen. It's adorable. I love it. I love that she's in a little tiny teacup on the top of the pen. And yes, I am going to put this in my purse and use it. And actually, now that I look down at it a little bit more, I think it might actually be a mechanical pencil, which is just as good. Yeah, it says 0.5 millimeter. I should actually like read before I start talking, but whatever, it's cool. Next item in the bag is this, and it's really adorable, but it's like one of those things where I question why. But then again, it's Hello Kitty, so like, why not? And it is a little train with sticky notes in it, because why not? All right, we're getting not too far from the end, which is make me pretty sad, but I'm impressed how much is in here for 5,000 yen. So let's move on to the next item. It's another little makeup type pouch. It's really soft and squishy though. I don't know what I'm gonna put in it, but it's Kiki and Lala, the little tin stars again. Aww, I really like this. On the back, it's got sort of like a fuzzy type texture. I guess I can just take it out and show you. It's really cute. I love fuzzy things. Next item, oh, this is adorable. I don't think this is something I'm going to use, but again, I think I know someone who will love it. And it is this little Sanrio Characters messenger bag. Actually, maybe I will use this. Don't judge me. I can feel you judging me. Stop. Looks like this. It's just, as I said already, a little messenger bag. I guess you could just use it for like being out and about. I'd probably use this while traveling to keep little things I need in front of me. And then it has just like a black strap attached to it. And then the last and final item, which I am excited about because it looks warm and cozy and soft. And when you're flying, of course, you always want a nice cozy blanket. So adorable. I'm gonna open it because there's no way I'm getting rid of this. No way, Jose. Does anyone know if there's like a Japanese version of No Hey Jose? There has to be, right? If you're Japanese, or if you know Japanese people, or if you're just creative with Japanese names, give me an idea for that joke in the comments and I'll use it in another video or something. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, this is awesome. I really love it. I love how soft it is. I don't know what it is about living in Japan, but like I just love really soft things now. I don't know if it's just because it's so cute, but anything that's like really soft and squishy, I'm into it. The only thing I don't think that I like is that the background is manila and not white, but I guess I understand why they use like a yellow manila-y color because they wanted it to be different from the year before. Okay, you guys, And now, drum roll, please. A moment, 1 year in the making. Because I wanted this last year and couldn't get it. Because that horrible person got it instead. Feel free to go grab some tea or something while I try to open this. This bag is full, y'all. Like, to the top. And it's... yes. Good. Now this is what I want when I go for a lucky bag. Like, I want a bag where I don't know what's in it and it's going to be awesome no matter what it is. Although I do really love the other Fukubukuro bags I got from SANRIO. But the fact that it's SANRIO really helps. Okay. Let's pull out one and I'm going to see at the same time that you guys do. Oh, he's so cute! But unfortunately, I don't know what his name is, but it's the little sleeping dog guy. Aww, he's really fuzzy. Okay, next item is this. It's a thermos. Oh, for your tea. Okay, you can use it and it looks like it is, aw, it's a super cute. So super cute on the side. Oh, I really like this. Okay, so on the side it has like a little instruction manual and it looks like you can do it, either you can just drink out of it like a little cup or you can drink out of it like this, which is pretty neat. Okay. Oh, this looks really big. Okay, it doesn't look big, it feels really big. It has Hello Kitty on it, but I don't know what it is. It's a Hello Kitty. Oh, it's an anniversary. It's the 45th anniversary Hello Kitty. That's probably why it's wrapped in plastic so nicely. Aw, that's so cute. Oh, okay, you guys. So this is what I'm talking about when I say that lucky bags are worth way more than what you pay for the bag, because the retail price of the anniversary doll, it says right in the back, is 3,200 yen. So I don't know necessarily that I would have bought this, but because it costs 3,200 yen for just this, yeah, I'm into it. This is awesome. Now the question is, do I open the box or don't I open the box? Leave a comment. You guys let me know what you think I should do. As of right now, I'm not going to open the box until later, at least. Okay. Okay, something else that's squishy. It is a thing. Oh, I think it's a towel. Yeah, it's a Hello Kitty towel. Again, oh my gosh. How many towels does one girl need? I mean, I'm not going to argue. I love a good towel. Oh, it's another Hello Kitty. Oh my goodness. I have too many kitties here. Like, I guess this is supposed to be like a Sanrio extra stuff Hello Kitty bag, but aw, this is cute. Oh, it's a keychain one too. I feel like I have a lot of Hello Kitty dolls going on here. Not that I'm complaining, but I'll probably have to sell some of these because there's way too many of them. Okay, here's another one. Oh, wait, what? Okay, so it's a Pom Pom Pour-In water bottle, I think. I actually don't know. Okay, it has Pom Pom Pour-In and then one of Pom Pom Pour-In's friends and a water bottle, I think. Oh no, it's a pencil holder. So it's becoming a thing in Japan, is like strangely shaped pencil cases. And this is not like a pencil case, it's a pencil bottle, which to each to their own. I think it's kind of neat. Not that I would buy this probably myself, but it's pretty cool. Okay, let's see what else is in the bag. Ooh, is this another blanket? No. No, I don't think it's a blanket. Oh my goodness. I think this is like a foot mat for the kitchen. It looks like it because it has, or maybe it's a bath mat. Yeah, actually I think it is a bath mat. On the back it has like a little grippy type thing. Aw, this is great. Hello Kitty home, yes please. Is there just, oh, hey, I was looking at this actually. Not this exact one, I was looking at a different one, but oh, I like this. It's like one of those like clear bags for traveling. You can probably, I don't know if I can use this in the US as a TSA bag, but it's completely see-through. So I don't know why I couldn't use this as my port bag for my carry-on, but oh, sad news. Okay, this is the last item in the bag. You guys ready? Yeah, it is. And it is a little, oh, it's a coin purse. And I think it's again the kitty anniversary coin purse. Aw, it's pretty adorable. Just got on little, like, are they flowers or yarn balls? Maybe they're flower yarn balls? I don't know. Yeah, that's everything in the Sanrio Fukubukuro bags. I'm really happy with everything that I got. I wish that the 3,000 yen bags were a little different, but I understand why they're the same. So usually people only buy one, but I needed two, but I think I'm gonna sell the other one. So anyways, that is the end of my Fukubukuro Sanrio unboxing video series. It's gonna be 2 videos. If you didn't watch the 3,000 yen one before, I'll make sure I link that up in the cards, and I'll do the same thing with that one on that video. Other than that, that is all I have to say for now. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.